Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today we take a look at the Diamond C dump trailer, and I really put it to the test. I did about, I would say, eight full loads in 2 days, and here you can see I'm loading it with the excavator, and really the combination of the excavator and the dump trailer made quick cleanup. I still have a huge amount to do, but I do want to say that I only had one problem with the trailer, and that was in the toolbox latch. So I don't really know what the customer service is yet, but I will find out and I'll keep you posted. Otherwise, yeah, let me tell you a little bit about it. So the trailer that I bought was a 14-foot heavy duty. I got the 7,000 pound axles with heavy duty tires. I had their upgraded tires, and this has it has a toolbox on the front that holds a lot of room for straps and everything. Plus, it has your hydraulics and your battery and your controller. Now, this combination really works good, the excavator and the trailer, and I'm able to fill it quickly and run it down and dump it quickly. Now, the rear doors of this trailer, they have chains to hold them open, and I'm not really thrilled with that, so I'm going to change that to something that's a little faster and easier, because when you open up the rear doors, see those chains hanging there, you basically use those chains to hold the door open, and they're a little cumbersome, and they also, I kind of see them scratching up the paint by doing it that way. So I'm going to change that. However, I was really happy with this trailer. I had a dump trailer before with and it's very similar. I had a scissor lift, and pretty identical to this, except it had the high sides, and I didn't want the super high sides this time. All you do is end up overloading them when you have those big, really high sides. Like I said, the only problem I had was with the toolbox latch, and I'm hoping that the customer service will be really good and I don't have to worry about it. Otherwise, this trailer really was a nice addition, and I've been waiting to get it for a while because I had all these piles already piled up. What else about this trailer? The frame of this trailer, it's an I-beam construction, so this is a low profile dump trailer, and I like that because obviously you see I have an excavator and I want to be able to haul the excavator in it. And the lower it is, the easier you can go up and down onto it. And this particular trailer has rear stabilizing jacks, which is really important when you're loading heavy equipment, because you can put the jacks down before going into it, and it's not going to lift the back of your truck up. Now, one thing that this one has that my previous dump trailer didn't have is it has the tarp too. And and I had no problems with it. I have seen some reviews of people complaining about the latch, but they must have fixed that because I didn't have any trouble pulling it out or putting it back in. So there was no trouble with that. The scissor lift, I decided to stay with that. I had one before, and there's a lot of people that they'll tell you, well, you should wait and get the telescoping one. But the scissor lift, it's a proven one, and as long as you don't overload it to the front, it works really well. What else can I say about this? The rear doors also have it's a dual swing, so you can swing them out, or you can unlatch it and swing it. You can open up the bottom of it so you could spread gravel on a road, that's a really nice option. What else? All LED lighting, which is really nice. Yeah, it's just a really nice trailer. I'm extremely happy with it. I looked it over pretty good, and the welds all look pretty nice, and it was an expensive trailer, but I I paid a little extra to get this particular trailer because the quality was a little better than the other ones that I saw. I was a little disappointed in the toolbox latch, but I have a feeling that, you know, that's something that they'll take care of pretty quickly, and I'm not going to worry about it that much. Otherwise, not much to say about a trailer. This trailer is the upgraded metal, so it has 7-gauge steel. It has, like I said, it has the heavier duty tires, and it has, that's about it. It's rated at 14,000 pounds, and it's a 14-foot long trailer. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, thank you very much for watching. Like, and I will see you later.